Good day, everyone. This is Patrick Okomendia, auto guide expert. We are talking about the rainy season. It's a wonderful time to be in the rainy season. I love the rain. I even like walking in the rain. But one thing we should look at is your car friendly with the rain? We will have to check some components that you need to check. Your wiper. Like this vehicle, in the traffic, you can buy the wiper for 500 naira. But if we have to get the wiper for you, it's 6,000 naira. Why is the difference? Because this wiper you buy in traffic is an emergency. It's good for an emergency, but it is not okay for your car. It corrodes the windscreen. You will now start having poor visibility as time goes on. Because when it's hot, you use it, you will see that the screen is not as bright as it used to be. And so we will beg you, before the rain, as the rain starts now, it's not when you are inside the rain you remember that your wiper is not working. Go and change it now. Go and get the right one, not those ones they bring for 500. There's no wiper that is ideal for your car for 500 naira. They will think they are cheating you, but the real ones are very expensive. There are some wipers we buy for 17,000. You say ordinary wiper, but it has its own function. Then we have also your tires. Your tire is also a very vital thing. We talked about tires the other time, but in the rainy season, there are some tires that will not work well. When it's cold, they are winter tires. When it's hot, they are summer tires. And when you use summer tires, it disperses the rain. They call it aquaplaning. It disperses the rain in the middle of the road. You see sometimes you are driving, the rain will gather on the road. The tire will disperse it. The people at the bus stop, like I used to tell them, my car is not good, but I did inside car, I pour water on you at the bus stop. The people at the bus stop, we call the man Oloshi, but that is what we call aquaplaning, is dispersing the water away to those who don't want to buy their cars. So tire too, go and change it to summer tires. Summer is rain, but it's always hot. Even though the weather is cold, we still have, if you check your car degree, you still have 25, 30 degrees, even with the cold weather. So the continent or our roads, they need all these summer tires. If you don't know what is summer tires, we've discussed it before. It must be the tire that is suitable for hot weather, that can resist 25 degrees and above. We wake up with 24 degrees. So even when the weather is cold, it's already 25 degrees. There was an accident on 3rd Mainland. They were driving a Prado, and then the tire burst, and then the car skidded, and they were wondering, why will the tire burst? It's a new tire, but it was not meant for Nigerian roads. We have our own. We don't specify, but we have our Nigerian roads. The third one, your headlamps, because the rain causes poor visibility. And most of the headlamps in our English parlance are not calibrated. You see, some will be looking downwards. Meanwhile, you are supposed to look in front. Even a lot of people, they have this old mentality of using the double pointer when it is raining. You are not supposed to use double pointer. Double pointer means there's an emergency. You are driving in the rain does not mean you are in an emergency. You are being careful. So you use your fog lamp. Every car has fog lamp. That will give you higher visibility. And then at the back also, the fog lamp, there's also a rear one that gives you higher visibility, so that both front and back, people are seeing you. So you don't need to use this 2021, you don't need to use double pointer when it's raining. Because whenever I see a car, I always think it has an issue. That's why it's using double pointer. But the person will just be inside gliding on its own. But that one is old and archaic. Use your fog lamp or use your headlamp. If your headlamp is not seeing very well, go to specialized centers where they can calibrate, or tell your mechanic if he has the equipment. He can calibrate your headlamp so that it will go up. A lot of us, when we are driving, you see the light will go this way. Meanwhile, the person is going this way because he has already changed the bulb. And then the bulb, the person that fixed it does not know that he has to also put the do the calibration so that it looks straight.